A Communist Party strategy paper for East Turkestan reveals how the Chinese government intends to urge Uyghur people through a 3-year plan to spy on their fellow citizens. The plan is to create social stability by proposing a strategy called Fighting the Dark Forces. The Turkestan Times has already reported on these practices in Hotan, East Turkestan. 2 officials from the Chinese government forced the residents of the city to an assembly where some got a list of their seemingly committed crimes that would be used to blackmail them. US Foreign Secretary Advisor John Sitilides commented on Turkey's S-400 agreements with Russia, saying that Trump is determined to impose economic sanctions on Turkey. He thinks that Turkey will not be able to handle to the requirements and therefore will eventually need the help of the International Monetary Fund. The Kremlin spokesman Peskov then declared, "This is an incomparable pressure that is exercised here in Turkey. We are very happy to see the serious intentions and unwavering attitude of President Erdogan." In a terrorist attack on a nightclub in Melbourne, the passing terrorists shot out of their car on the people. A security man succumbed to his gunshot wounds. 3 more people were injured by the hail of bullets. Now the question arises whether the tragic attack is a work of the Islamic State, because Haldenwang, the president of the German Secret Service, observes activities of the IS. Haldenwang proclaims, "The danger of the Islamic State has not been banned so far. We receive numerous indications of planned terrorist attacks. Germany could also become a target, and that's something to be reckoned with." In Siberia, Russian special forces have launched an operation against an IS cell, killing 2 militants. The operation is said to have prevented another terrorist attack. The National Transitional Council Army in Libya confirms the shooting down of a combat aircraft of Libyan military officer Khalifa Haftar. On April 4th, the general carried out an offensive to recover Trablus, which sparked fierce protests by the interim government. As the World Health Organization announced, bloody battles over the past 10 days have killed over 121 and injured 561 more. The mayor of Jerusalem, Adnan Geiz, who is employed to the Palestinian Authority in the West Bank, was again arrested by Israeli forces along with 18 other Palestinians. Most recently, the mayor was imprisoned on February 27th, but subsequently released.